Hello and welcome. I'm Janet Giessl from Simple Creative Projects, and I help people with limited resources and challenging circumstances build multiple income streams online. Today, I'll show you how to use the Book Scout feature in BookBolt so you can see which keywords other books are using so you can improve how your own books are found. Let's start.
If you're publishing low content or no content books on Amazon KDP, guessing keywords can cost you time and visibility. Book Scout helps you peek behind the curtain of books that are already selling so you can make wiser, data-driven decisions. Let's jump into BookBolt. From your main dashboard, go to the Research section and then click on Book Scout. Book Scout is a reverse ASIN tool, which simply means you take a successful book's ASIN from Amazon, paste it in here, and BookBolt shows you the keywords that book is ranking for. Now let's grab an example from Amazon. I've gone to Amazon and typed in a simple niche like gratitude journal. Here you can see a book that's ranking near the top and looks relevant to what we want to create. Click that product to open its details page. If you scroll down to the product details section, you'll see the ASIN listed there. Highlight that ASIN and copy it. We're going to bring this over into BookBolt. Back inside BookBolt, with Book Scout open, paste that ASIN into the input field. Now click the button to run the search. Book Scout will now pull in all the keywords that this particular book is ranking for on Amazon. You'll see a list of keywords along with some extra data such as search volume or other ranking information. This list is basically a snapshot of how readers are finding that book on Amazon. Now let's look at the results together. Each line you see here is a keyword or phrase. Focus on keywords that are clearly related to the type of book you want to create, not misleading or off-topic, naturally usable in your title, subtitle, or description. For example, if you see phrases like gratitude journal for women or daily gratitude journal, and that matches your book idea, these are strong candidates for your own keyword list. Write down or copy your favorite, most relevant keywords into a document or spreadsheet. You'll use them later when you set up your title, subtitle, description, and backend keywords in your KDP listing. That's it for this quick walkthrough of the Book Scout feature in BookBolt. We went from finding a book on Amazon to grabbing its code, to using Book Scout to reveal the keywords that help it get found, and then choosing the ones that make sense for your own books. If you want to try BookBolt for yourself, you'll find the link in the description. There's a free 3-day trial, and you can also use my coupon code there to get a discount.
Hi, I'm Janet, and I created this video. If you like videos like this and you want to see more, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. See you in the next one.